Here's what most agents don't realize. In Charlotte's competitive market, your sellers are judging your competency long before their property goes live. Poor listing media adds weeks to your days on market and pushes sellers to competitors. Blurry previews, unclear marketing strategies, and outdated examples of your work quality tells them their home won't get the professional representation it deserves. We're going to break down exactly how weak marketing materials erode sellers' confidence. Can you afford to lose another listings over bad photos? Let's start with the first mistakes, before you even realize the damage is done. Picture this. You send your sellers the first preview shots of their home. The moment you hit send, you've planted a seed of doubt. Blurry kitchen photos, poorly lit living rooms. Instead of seeing their home shine, they're staring at photos that make it look ordinary or worse. Most agents think preview photos are harmless, rough drafts, but sellers see them as a direct reflection of your standards. They don't separate your preview work from your final work. The emotional response is instant. Is this really how my home will be marketed? Once doubt creeps in, it snowballs. They start scrutinizing your communication, your market knowledge, your commitment. One bad batch of preview photos can make them second guess working with you entirely. These previews are trust-building moments disguised as simple photo shares. Every image you send either builds confidence or chips away at it. Professional quality previews immediately establish credibility. If this is the care they take with previews, imagine the final marketing. Before you hit send, take 60 seconds for a quick lightning check or a basic crop. Prevent first draft trust kills before they happen. But preview photos aren't the only way agents are losing sellers' confidence. The next trust killer, your marketing plan. You sit across from the seller, confident but vague. You promise social media promotion, but offer no details. You can't explain which platforms, what content, or how you'll measure success. Sellers hear this and think, you're winging it. This is their largest financial transaction. They want specifics, not generalities. Compare that to agents who walk in with clarity. We'll target first-time homebuyers aged 28 to 35. Facebook ads, Instagram stories. Goal 15 inquiries in 2 weeks. Specifics screams preparation. Vague promises scream risk. When sellers hear generalities, they start doubting your pricing, your negotiating, and your entire process. Define your buyer persona. Pick your channels. Set realistic, measurable goals. Structured marketing wins listings. Loose talk loses them. And still, there's one more place agents lose trust without realizing it. Your portfolio should be your strongest sales tool. Instead, outdated work turns into evidence against you. When sellers see examples from 2 years ago, they don't see experience. They see stagnation. To them, it's as if they're looking into a crystal ball as to how their home will be marketed. If this is the best they have to show me, is this what my home will get? Outdated staging, bad lighting, recycled templates, all send the wrong message. Worst, it suggests you're not staying current. Your competition is showing fresh, polished work. They're making sellers think, I can't wait to see what they do at my home. You're making them hope you'll do better than what you're showing. Every listing you feature should be no more than 6 months old. Keep at least 2 fresh examples updated monthly. Make your sellers excited about the possibility, not concerned about what's lacking. Every piece of media you share builds or erodes trust. There's no neutral. Blurry previews, vague strategies, outdated portfolios, they are shaping the seller's opinions right now. Professional visuals, clear plans, current examples, that's how you lock in seller confidence. Treat every interaction as a trust-building opportunity because that's exactly how sellers see it. Charlotte agents, if you're ready to level up your listing media and protect your seller relationships, hit like and subscribe for more weekly marketing breakdowns.